All these shapes are polygons because they're two-dimensional closed plane figures made up of straight lines. They are also quadrilaterals because they are polygons that have four sides. All of these shapes are parallelograms. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two sets of parallel lines. These little arrows indicate that the lines are parallel. So parallelograms have two sets of parallel lines. Now, all squares are parallelograms, all rhombuses are parallelograms, and all rectangles are parallelograms, but not all parallelograms are squares, not all parallelograms are rhombuses, and not all parallelograms are rectangles. Those two shapes there, those two quadrilaterals, are both rhombuses. They are both rhombuses because all four sides are the same length. Now this rhombus is a square, and this here is a rhombus. All squares are rhombuses because all squares have four sides that are the same length, but not all rhombuses are squares. Both of those shapes are rectangles. These are both rectangles because they are quadrilaterals that have four right angles. This square can be considered a rectangle because it has four right angles. This rectangle is a rectangle because it has four right angles. And the only thing that a square can be is a square. Nothing else can be a square. A square is a quadrilateral with four right angles and all sides being the same length. And a trapezoid is a quadrilateral that has one set of parallel lines. So a trapezoid can be a polygon, a quadrilateral, and a trapezoid. A parallelogram can be a polygon, a quadrilateral, and a parallelogram. A rhombus can be a polygon, a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, and a rhombus. A rectangle can be a polygon, a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, and a rectangle. And a square can be a polygon, a quadrilateral, a parallelogram, a rhombus, a rectangle, and a square.